This no-bake pineapple cheesecake is very refreshing. My son wished for this cake for his birthday party and he loved it. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I need half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. I toast the coconut. If you want to keep the cake raw vegan, just skip this step. 1 cup of cashews. I powder the cashews first. Then I add the half a cup of shredded coconut. I add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of unrefined coconut oil. I mix all those ingredients. I transfer the dough onto a plate with a cake ring. You can use a spring form too, that would work. I put my cake ring on 20 centimeters. It is about 8 inches. Then I press the dough with a spoon onto the plate to make a nice and even crust. When I'm all done, I place my crust into an airtight container into my refrigerator. Meanwhile, I need 2 cups of soaked cashews. I soaked mine for 15 minutes in boiling water, but you also can soak them overnight in just water. Then I mix them in my kitchen machine to get a fine consistency. 3/4 cup of unrefined coconut oil. Half a cup of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or 2 drops of food-grade lemon essential oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 600 grams of frozen or fresh pineapple. I used frozen pineapple. I thawed them and then used them. 3/4 cup of organic maple syrup. If you don't like it so sweet, just use half a cup. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well until it gets to a rich, creamy and nice consistency. I transfer the filling onto the cold crust. I try to get the air bubbles out and get it nice and smooth so I have an even top. When I'm all done, I place my pineapple cheesecake into the refrigerator. I kept mine in the fridge overnight, but you need to keep it at least 6 hours in the fridge. You can also make an ice cream cake and freeze it, but then make sure you take it out at least 2 hours ahead of time to thaw it a little bit. Then I cut my pineapple cheesecake into 12 pieces. If you enjoyed my content so far, I would be very glad if you liked my video, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and share my videos with others. I like to decorate my cheesecake with fresh fruit I have on hand. This time I have nectarines and strawberries. I cut the nectarine in half and then sliced them, and the strawberries I just cut in 4/4. A little bit of fresh peppermint leaves from the garden. And a drizzle with shredded coconut. When I'm all done, I take off the cake ring very carefully. Voila! And this is how my fresh pineapple cheesecake looked like. Let's take a piece of cake out and see how it looks like. I didn't cut the crust totally through, so I needed to help with my knife to get the piece of cake out. And there is my delicious pineapple cheesecake. Now we will enjoy this refreshing cake. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me.